Today we are here at Tukusa High to launch the school safety campaign as led by the Premier of the province, Premier Sihle Zikalala. This is in response of the rising incidents of violence, of drug abuse in our schools, as well as vandalism and stealing of equipment and property which is deployed in our schools to assist proper teaching and learning. Today we are then unveiling 1,500 volunteers which we have recruited together with the Department of Community Safety, which will then be dispatched to all our schools to ensure that they work with communities, they work with school safety structures, they work with governing bodies to protect our schools and ensure that we deal decisively against incidences of violence, of drug abuse, of vandalism. What is important about these volunteers is that they are recruited from communities themselves. So each volunteer will be responsible, will be attached in a school where he resides. And that will help us to ensure that they even assist in terms of gathering information that will help the law enforcement agencies to act before such incidents happen in our school. But we also encouraging our communities to report instances where they see or they witness or anyone approaches them to sell the stolen goods, because these computers, these equipments that are sold to communities or that are stolen in our communities, in our schools, get sold to community members. So we are saying to community members, don't buy stolen properties, don't buy stolen goods. If someone comes with a computer and say, I've got this computer at a cheaper price, but don't mind where I got it, report that person immediately to police so that we are able to act and act decisively.